Hi friends, this is Helen from Kipra's Articrafts. Today we are going to do a decoupage art. That is, I'm going to do a fridge magnet using decoupage technique. I've selected this fridge magnet base. This is the MDF base, and I've chose this for the template. Now I'll start doing this. I've taken this Fevicryl white color, which I'm going to apply for the base. See, now this is dry. Now I'm going to apply Fevicryl Mod Podge using any kind of brush. You can start applying this. See, once you completed applying all this Mod Podge, now I'm going to place the tissue over this decoupage tissue. See, decide where you want to place. This is 3-ply tissue, so I'm going to take it out. After removing this, see, there will be only single layer. You can place as you desire. Now slowly tap this, slowly, so you won't be having any wrinkles. You can use directly your fingers, or you can keep any polythene paper over this and then you can tap it. This is just to have a wrinkle-free decoupage. Once this is done, again apply some Mod Podge on it. I'm using a gloss effect Mod Podge. You also have matte finish. You have to cover all the edges. Now this is done. Allow it to dry for some time and trim all the edges. You have to trim all the edges like this. See, now this is slightly dried and I cut all the edges. If you see any raw edges or unfinished tissues, it's popping out, you can take this emery sheet and you can just trim it out. The rough edges will go softer and you can remove it easily. See, this is how it's done. For the embellishments, I just want to do something with the air dry clay. This is the air dry clay. I just wanted to do some small flowers. I'm using this Fevicryl fabric glue to stick the flower. In detail, I'll show how to make this flowers in another video. I'm going to make 5 petals, 2 or 3 flowers. If you want to know the air dry clay recipe, I'll very soon update in my blog. Now we are going to do some stem and leaf part. Now we are going to give a leaf texture. This is how it will look. After everything is getting dried out, we can color black or dark brown at the back side, and you can just stick any size magnet, and you can use it as a fridge magnet. You can gift to any of your friends or any birthday parties as return gifts. You can use this kind of gifts. After everything is dried up, you can add any project type varnish, or you can also use wood varnish for this. I hope you like this video. Kindly do subscribe, share and do comment about this video. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please do comment. Thank you.